Hello students, this video is in continuation with my previous video on distribution of gymnosperm. In this video, we will see in detail distribution of gymnosperm, especially conifers in Himachal Pradesh. So let's start the video. As I explained to you earlier, the conifers belong to the order Coniferales, and Coniferales are the dominant forest makers of the world. Out of 54 living genera of the Coniferales in the world, 10 have been reported from different parts of India. These are Abies, Cephalotaxus, Cupress, Juniper, Larix, Picea, Pinus, Podocarpus and Thuja. The distribution of majority of these member is restricted mainly in the Himalayas and governed chiefly by altitude. And you all know very well Himachal Pradesh is part of Western Himalaya. So many of these are present in Himachal Pradesh. Through this table, you can understand the distribution of conifers in Himachal Pradesh with altitude. First one is Pinus walchiana that occur from 1800 to 4300 meter. Pinus roxburghii 900 to 1350 meter. Pinus giardiana 1800 to 3350 meter. Picea samithiana that is present from 2300 to 3600 meter. Abies pindro that is present from 2250 to 3350 meter. Abies pactavillus that is present between altitudinal zone of 3600 to 3920 meter. Then is Cupress torulosa. It occur from 1800 to 2800 meter. So you can see here you will find three species of Pinus, that is Pinus walchiana, roxburghii and giardiana. One species of Picea, that is Picea samithiana. Two species of Abies, pindro and spectavillus. One species of Cupress, that is torulosa. Then Cedrus devdara, single species, occur from 1500 to 3200 meter or above. Juniperus macropoda occur between 2400 to 4300 meter. Juniperus recurva 3000 to 4000 meter. Juniperus scumata that occur between 1600 to 4900 meter. Juniperus communis 4900 to 6000 meter. Juniperus indica that is present 2600 to 5200 meter. And Taxus contorta and it is present between altitudinal zone of 1800 to 3300 meter. So these are the main conifers which are found in HP. So let's know these in detail. First one is Pinus walchiana. Its common name are Bhutan pine, blue pine because it reflects bluish shade, Himalayan pine and Himalayan white pine. While its local name are Durshala, Cal, Lin and Chilla. Pinus walchiana is a coniferous evergreen tree native to the Himalaya, Karakoram and Hindu Kush mountain. It occurs from eastern Afghanistan to northern Pakistan and northern West India to Yunnan in southwest China. In case of Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Kullu, Manali, Mandi, Pangi, Lahaul Spiti, Shimla, Solan, Chamba, Rodu, Karsok and Thunag area of Mandi district. You can see here tree as well as cone of Pinus walchiana. Then is Pinus roxburghii. Its common name is cheer pine, longleaf Indian pine. It generally occurs at lower altitude than other pines in the Himalaya and locally known as cheel. Its altitudinal zone ranges from 500 to 2000 meter, occasionally up to 2300 meter. In Himachal Pradesh, it is widely distributed in Shimla, Solan, Sirmaur, Mandi, Bilaspur, Sundarnagar, Rivalsar, etc. You can see male cone of Pinus roxburghii and plants of Pinus roxburghii. Then is Pinus giardiana. Its common name is Chilgoja pine or pine nut. In India, the Chilgoja is found in Kistawar in Kashmir and Pangi, Bharmor and Kinnaur in Himachal Pradesh. Kinnaur has the largest Chilgoja forest, covering an area of around 2000 hectares. In Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Kinnaur district as well as in Bharmor. So you can see here cone as well as seeds of Pinus giardiana. Next is Picea samithiana. Common name is Morinda spruce. Picea samithiana is a species of evergreen tree in the family Pinaceae. It is referred to by the common name Morinda spruce and West Himalayan spruce, and it is a spruce native to the Western Himalaya. In Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Mandi, Dharamshala, Solang, Kullu, Thunag, Janjali, as well as Lahaul Spiti, etc. So you can see here cones as well as trees of Picea samithiana. Next is Abies pindro. Its common name is pindro fir or Himalayan fir. Abies pindro, the pindro fir or West Himalayan fir, is a fir native to Western Himalaya and adjacent mountains, from northwest Afghanistan through eastern Pakistan and India to central Nepal. In India, Himachal Pradesh, it has been found to be present in Kufri, Churdar, Sangla Valley, Chamba and Lahaul Spiti area. You can see here cone as well as trees of Abies pindro. Next is Abies spectabilis. Its common name is East Himalayan fir. It is found in Afghanistan, Hindu Kush, India, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Nepal, Tibet, etc. at an altitude zone of 2500 to 4000 meter. In Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Kullu Valley, Churdar, Chamba, Lahaul Spiti, etc. You can see here plant of Abies spectabilis. Next is Cupress tortuosa. Its common name is Himalayan cypress or Bhutan cypress. Cupress tortuosa is confined to the drier valley in the inner part of Himalaya, where it occupies south-facing slopes. The eastern Himalaya is mostly too wet for this species, as are the more southern valley in the range in West Nepal. North of where this open forest or woodland type occupies south-facing slopes in Himachal Pradesh. It has been found to be in Manali-Leh highway, Chamba district, etc. You can see here plants of Cupress tortuosa. Then is Cedrus deodara. Common name is Himalayan cedar. It is state tree of Himachal Pradesh and is known as Cedrus deodara, Devdar cedar, Himalayan cedar, Deodar, Devdar, Devadar, Devadaru. It is a species of cedar native to Western Himalaya. It is present up to an altitudinal zone of 1500 to 3200 meter. In Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Kullu Parvati Valley, Chamba, Manali, Kinnaur, Sirmaur, Shimla, Kangra, Mandi, Janjali, etc. You can see here cone as well as tree of Cedrus deodara. Then is Juniper macropoda. Common name is Pashtun juniper. Juniperus macropoda occur widely from Pakistan to Uttar Pradesh at an altitude of 2400 to 4300 meter. The plant is distributed almost throughout the temperate and alpine region of Western Himalaya. It is generally found in dry river valleys in the temperate and cold region of Northern Hemisphere. The tree form open forest in Lahaul, also found sporadically in Kinnaur and are patchy in Jiu and Atargu in Spiti. In the Patan Valley of the Himachal Pradesh, this species is found in association with Pinus walchiana. Here you can see its cone. Then is Juniperus recurva. Common name is Himalayan juniper or dropping juniper. Juniper recurva is common in the dry arid slopes of Himalaya, from Pakistan to southwest China at an altitudinal range of 2500 to 4500 meter. It is distributed almost throughout the temperate and alpine Himalayas. In India, the plant is found in the district of Kinnaur, Shimla, Sirmaur, Chamba, Kinnaur, and Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh, the Kumaon region in Uttarakhand and in Arunachal Pradesh. The plant grows well in moist soil if they are well drained, preferring a neutral or slightly alkaline soil. It grows in humid, sheltered area with high rainfall. You can see here its plants. Then is Juniperus communis. Common name is common juniper. In India, you will find it in Assam, Agra, Dehradun, Shimla, northwestern India, Myanmar, eastern Mediterranean region. In Himachal Pradesh, it is mainly found in Mani Mahesh in Chamba, Kullu, Churdhar in Sirmaur, Chota and Bada Bengal in Kangra, and Kinnaur, Patan Valley in Lahaul Spiti. You can see here plants of Juniper communis. Then is Juniperus indica. Juniperus indica, the black juniper, is a juniper native to high altitude climate in the Himalaya, occurring from the northern Indus Valley in Kashmir east to western Yunnan in China. It is of interest as the highest elevation putti plant known, reported growing as high as 5200 meter in southern Tibet, the lowest limit being 2600 meter. In Himachal Pradesh, it is generally found in Kinnaur region. You can see here plants of Juniperus indica. Then is Taxus contorta. Its common name is Himalayan yew. In the Indian Himalayan region, the occurrence of the species has been reported from the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. In Himachal Pradesh, it is generally found in Tirthan Valley near Manali, Kullu, Mandi, Jinjali, Shimla, etc. You can see here plants of the Taxus contorta, its cone and bark, as well as tea prepared from its bark. So students, that's all about this lecture. I hope you understood it. Thank you for listening.